Coming to the second type of unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkyne. General formula is CnH2n-2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. Here we will find that there is a triple bond between at least 2 carbon atoms. Again, the first member will start with the value of N is equal to 2 because we want triple bond between at least 2 carbon atoms. The name of the first member will be ethyne. Molecular formula will be C2H2. We will use this formula and we will find out the molecular formula for ethyne, that is C2H2. Again, it contains 2 carbon atoms, so it is considered to be the derivative of the parent alkane ethane. So it will have the root word eth and the suffix would be "-ine", that is YNE, which will indicate the type of bond, that is a triple bond. So we get YNE from the last 3 letters here, YNE of alkyne. Molecular mass is 26. When the value of N is equal to 3, that is 3 carbon atoms will be present, you will get the formula C3H4, and since 3 carbons are present, it is a derivative of propane, but since triple bond is present, we will indicate it with the suffix "-ine", YNE, and the name becomes propyne. Molecular mass is 40. Similarly, if there are 4 carbon atoms, the name of the compound would be butane, derivative of parent alkane, butane, root word but, and suffix YNE. Formula is C4H6. Molecular mass is 54. And the next member, that is value of N is equal to 5, you will get a compound named as pentyne, and pentyne will have the formula C5H8. 5 carbon atoms are present, so it's a derivative of pentane. So the root word will be pent, and ANE will be replaced by YNE to indicate the presence of triple bond. And the molecular mass will be 68. Here also you will find that every member, that is the 2 consecutive members, will differ by a CH2 group, and the molecular mass of any 2 consecutive members will differ by 14. So this is observed in case of any homologous series. This is a homologous series for alkyne because it has got the same general formula CnH2n-2. So this is the case with any homologous series, and you will find that the consecutive members differ by a CH2 group in molecular formulas, and they differ in the molecular mass by 14. So with this we will end our today's session, and we will continue with the structural formulas of alkyne tomorrow. Thank you.